In the next few minutes, you will create this beautiful planner in Canva, even if you are a complete beginner. So let's start from scratch. Quickly jump to Canva and search here Planner. Choose a blank page. Select this page and change the background color to black. Now go to Elements and search here Abstract Watercolor. Go to Graphics. Choose Free Elements. Adjust this element on the top of the page. Then duplicate this design and arrange on the bottom of the page. Now I am going to change the color of this element. Now go to text box and write the name of your planner. Now you can change the alignment of this text, reduce the size, and change the font color as well. Now again duplicate this design and write your text here. Now go to font style and change the font of this text. Cover page of our planner is ready. To design interior pages, click on Add Page and change the background of this page. I am designing a weekly planner. You can also make a monthly or daily planner. So I will start from Monday. Increase the border width and remove the interior color. Again duplicate this and adjust at equal space. To make this page more attractive, I will add some elements to this design. Reduce the transparency of this image. And set this image as the background. Since we are creating a weekly planner, so I will duplicate this page 6 times to make a total of 7 pages, one for each day of the week. Then I will update the day name on each page. Now go to Share option and click on Download. CMYK is best for professional printing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.